Hello guys, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial I will be showing you how you can set up your Exodius wallet. So first of all guys, what I need you to do is open any phone or browser on your PC or your phones, and right after that you go, for example for me I'm using Google Chrome. So from here guys, what I'm going to do is just write on Google Exodius, so Exodius like that, and here we add wallet. So just like so, here is the wallet. Now what I'm going to do is open their website, which is exodius.com, and here I will click on download to download it on my PC. Now we choose which kind of wallet do you want, so Web3 wallet, mobile or desktop. So let's choose, for example, this one, which is gonna be kind of like an extension. So here, and we click on add to Chrome, add extension, and we wait a little bit. It won't take that much from you guys. So after it is done, now we wait until it is fully installed, and here it goes. This will be open a page for us. So basically now let's refresh. I think there's a problem with it. Let me just open this real quick, or just refresh the page. Okay, here it is. So you need to give it time until it is fully loaded on your page. And yeah, so now as you can see, here is the wallet in my screen. Here is everything about it. It is not loading that good because I think the servers are really having some heavy traffic on them. That's why they are not doing that good. But anyway, like any other wallet, you will just have to put your password, and then they will give you their or your own phase recovery phrase. And basically this is it. Just keep your recovery phrase safe somewhere, and yeah, to get your account back. So see you guys in the next video, and see you in the next tutorial.